I have created a datatypes.ts file in our project with a folder named TypeScript. So basically there are three categories of data types in TypeScript. So I'll write over here. So first is any, then we will look at built-in data types, and after that user-defined data types. So these further, like in built-in data types and user-defined data types, we have subtypes, like what kind of built-in data types there are in TypeScript, supported in TypeScript, and what kind of user-defined data types you can create. So let's write them as well over here. So built-in data types are string, number, type, boolean, undefined, null, and void. So these are these comes under built-in data types which are supported in TypeScript. Let's move to user-defined data types. User-defined data types are those wherein like you can define the data with the help of like which are allowed in there to hold the values of particular type in TypeScript. So basically user-defined data types, the kind of data types which fall under this category are array, interface, class, union, enum, and tuple.